We started in Germany and then we went down to Spain,
Ghana, South Africa, Mauritius, India,
Vietnam, China,
Japan, Hawaii, and the USA. Semester at Sea is a multi-country study abroad program.
We started in Germany and literally sailed around the world.
When we're traveling from country to country, we take the classes while we're sailing, and then once we arrive at a country, we have 4 to 6 days to just explore and do our own thing. The most important lesson that I learned from Semester at Sea was how small we are in a world and how much there is to experience, but also what a big difference that we're able to make.
It was crazy. Every time I go to a new place, I get so many different perspectives from people, and I get to learn so much.
Semester at Sea for me was the most incredible experience I've ever had. One of my favorite things was how close I became with the other students and staff members on the ship, and now I can say that I have family all around the world.
The University of Lethbridge has offered me the opportunity to take international exchanges. There were so many times when I was just walking around and I was like, wow, this is what I've seen in a textbook and I'm getting to see it in real life.
If you ever get the opportunity to go on a study abroad program, do it. If I could do it all again, I would go back in a heartbeat. My semester at sea was absolutely life-changing, probably the best experience I'll ever have in my life.
So I think my desire to learn more about the world and more cultures makes me shine.